Tracking customer engagement is a critical part of understanding how your leads and customers are interacting with your business. In this video, we'll show you how to track customer engagement in TeamGate CRM. Stick around till the end because, while TeamGate is a solid choice, we'll also share an even better option for your business that offers an extended free trial with exclusive benefits. To start, let's dive into how you can track customer engagement directly in TeamGate. First off, TeamGate has a built-in activity tracking feature that lets you see all interactions with your customers. This includes emails, calls, meetings, and even tasks assigned to your team. You can view this in the customer timeline, where you can see a clear history of everything that's happened. It's really great for knowing what has been done with each customer and ensures no detail slips through the cracks. Next thing, you'll want to use the customer scoring feature. This allows you to assign points based on how engaged the customer is. For example, you can increase their score when they open your emails, reply to your calls, or engage in a meeting. This gives you a quick snapshot of where they stand in your sales pipeline and how likely they are to close. It also helps in prioritizing your leads, so you're focusing on the ones with the most potential. Now, let's talk about reporting. TeamGate has a powerful reporting system that generates data on customer engagement over time. You can look at detailed reports about how often your customers are interacting with your communications, the status of each lead, and how much engagement translates to closed deals. These reports are customizable, so you can filter them based on different criteria, which is extremely useful for deep dives into customer behavior. The fourth thing you need to know is TeamGate's automation capabilities. Automating customer engagement tracking can save you a lot of time. For instance, you can set up automatic reminders for follow-ups and notifications whenever a customer interacts with your business. This way, you're never left wondering whether a customer has been contacted recently, and you're always staying on top of customer touchpoints without having to manually track every interaction. The fifth thing is integrations. TeamGate works with a range of other tools like email clients and calendar apps, which makes it even easier to track customer engagement across platforms. If you're using Gmail or Outlook, for example, you can sync your emails and calendar directly with TeamGate, making it a seamless process to log customer interactions. But here's where it gets interesting. While TeamGate does a lot of things well, there are alternatives out there that could better serve the goal of truly optimizing your customer engagement tracking. One of these alternatives offers a more streamlined workflow with deeper automation features, better customization, and more robust reporting. Plus, it has a more intuitive interface, making it easier for new users to get started quickly. If you're serious about taking your customer engagement tracking to the next level, we've got something special for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive, extended free trial of this software, plus some amazing benefits that aren't available anywhere else. You'll also be able to test out some of the best alternatives to TeamGate, which we believe offer a better overall experience for tracking customer engagement. So, if you're ready to start making the most of your customer data, check out the link below to get started with the best tools for your business. Don't miss out on the exclusive offer we have just for you.